Section 1. Safeguarding creativity. Why copyright matters. Imagine a world without copyright. Anyone could copy your book, song, or painting without permission. They could profit from your hard work. This is why we have copyright law. It protects creators and encourages innovation. Copyright ensures that artists, writers, and musicians are rewarded for their creations. Copyright law provides a legal framework. It balances the rights of creators with the public's access to knowledge and culture. This balance is essential for a thriving creative environment. It fosters new ideas and artistic expression. Think of copyright as a set of rules. These rules govern how creative works are used and shared. Understanding these rules is crucial for anyone who creates, uses, or distributes copyrighted material. In essence, copyright is about protecting the fruits of human creativity. It's about ensuring that those who invest their time, effort, and imagination in producing original work are duly recognized and rewarded. Section 2. The tapestry of expression. Works protected by copyright. Copyright protection extends to a wide array of creative works. These works are the building blocks of our shared cultural heritage. Literary works, from novels and poems to computer programs, enjoy copyright protection. Dramatic works, including plays, musicals, and operas, are also safeguarded. Music in all its forms, from classical compositions to popular songs, falls under the umbrella of copyright. Artistic works, including paintings, sculptures, photographs, and architectural designs, are protected. Cinematograph films, encompassing movies, documentaries, and videos, are also covered. Finally, sound recordings, which capture musical performances, spoken word, and other sounds, are granted copyright protection. This diverse range of protected works reflects the boundless creativity of the human spirit. It underscores the importance of copyright in fostering and safeguarding this creativity. Section 3. Who owns the creation? Understanding copyright ownership. Determining copyright ownership can sometimes be complex. Generally, the creator of the work is the initial copyright owner. For example, the author of a book typically owns the copyright in the book. However, there are exceptions. If a work is created during the course of employment, the employer may own the copyright. For instance, a journalist who writes an article for a newspaper may not own the copyright in the article. The newspaper, as the employer, may be the copyright owner. It's also possible for copyright ownership to be transferred or assigned to another party. This can happen through agreements, contracts, or inheritance. Understanding the nuances of copyright ownership is crucial for protecting your rights as a creator or for navigating the legal landscape as a user of copyrighted material. Section 4. The creator's prerogative. Exclusive rights under copyright. Copyright grants creators a bundle of exclusive rights. These rights give creators control over how their work is used and disseminated. One of the most fundamental rights is the right of reproduction. This means that only the copyright owner has the right to make copies of the work. The right of distribution allows the copyright owner to control how the work is shared, sold, or rented. The right of public performance grants the copyright owner the exclusive right to perform the work publicly, such as staging a play or screening a film. The right of adaptation allows the copyright owner to control the creation of derivative works, such as translations or movie adaptations. Finally, the right of communication to the public covers the broadcasting or online transmission of the work. These exclusive rights empower creators to manage how their work is used and to derive economic benefit from their creations. Section 5. The legacy of creation. How long copyright lasts. Copyright protection doesn't last forever. The duration of copyright varies depending on the type of work. In many countries, including India, copyright in literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works generally lasts for the lifetime of the author, plus 60 years. For cinematograph films and sound recordings, the duration of copyright is often calculated differently. It may be based on the life of the director or the producer, plus a fixed number of years. Once the copyright term expires, the work enters the public domain. This means that the work is no longer protected by copyright and can be used freely by anyone. The public domain is a rich repository of creative works that are free for all to use and enjoy. Section 6. Beyond the law. The significance of moral rights. Moral rights are personal rights that protect the non-economic interests of creators. These rights exist independently of copyright and are designed to safeguard the creator's connection with their work. One of the key moral rights is the right of attribution. This means that the creator has the right to be identified as the author of their work. For example, a photographer has the right to be credited when their photograph is published. The right of integrity protects the work from being distorted or mutilated in a way that would prejudice the creator's honor or reputation. Moral rights ensure that creators retain control over the integrity and attribution of their work, even if they no longer own the copyright. Section 7. Striking a balance. Exceptions to copyright protection. Copyright law recognizes that there are situations where the public interest in accessing and using copyrighted works outweighs the exclusive rights of copyright holders. To address this, copyright law includes a number of exceptions. These exceptions allow for the use of copyrighted material without permission from the copyright owner in certain circumstances. One of the most important exceptions is fair dealing. Fair dealing allows for the use of copyrighted material for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. For example, a teacher may be able to copy a portion of a textbook for use in their classroom without infringing copyright, as long as the use is considered fair. Other exceptions include private use, which allows for limited copying of copyrighted material for personal use, and certain uses by libraries and archives. These exceptions are crucial for ensuring that copyright law does not stifle creativity, innovation, and access to information. Section 8. Crossing the line. Copyright infringement and its consequences. Copyright infringement occurs when someone uses a copyrighted work without permission from the copyright owner in a way that violates the copyright owner's exclusive rights. This could involve making unauthorized copies of a book, distributing a song without permission, or publicly performing a play without a license. Copyright infringement can have serious consequences. Copyright owners have the right to take legal action against infringers. This could involve seeking an injunction to stop the infringing activity, claiming damages for lost profits, or even pursuing criminal charges in some cases. The digital age has made it easier than ever to copy and share copyrighted material, which has led to an increase in copyright infringement. It's important to be aware of copyright law and to obtain permission before using copyrighted material. Section 9. Navigating the digital age. Copyright in the online world. The internet has revolutionized how we create, access, and share information. It has also presented new challenges for copyright law. The ease with which digital content can be copied and distributed online has made it more difficult to enforce copyright. To address these challenges, new laws and international treaties have been developed. These measures aim to protect copyrighted works in the digital environment and to combat online piracy. For example, the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, DMCA, in the United States provides a framework for addressing copyright infringement online. Copyright holders are increasingly using technological measures to protect their works online, such as digital rights management, DRM systems. These systems can restrict access to or copying of digital content. As technology continues to evolve, copyright law will need to adapt to keep pace with new challenges and opportunities. Section 10. In conclusion, copyright, a cornerstone of creativity and innovation. Copyright law plays a vital role in fostering creativity and innovation. By granting creators exclusive rights over their work, copyright provides an incentive for them to invest their time, effort, and imagination in producing original creations. This, in turn, enriches our cultural landscape and drives progress in various fields. Understanding copyright is crucial not only for creators, but also for the public at large. By respecting copyright, we contribute to a thriving creative environment where innovation can flourish. It's about finding a balance between protecting the rights of creators and ensuring access to knowledge and culture for the benefit of society as a whole.